New York City's 2-year snow drought is over. A fast-moving nor'easter turned rain to snow just in time for Tuesday's morning commute. Officials put snow chains on city buses to make sure they could navigate the streets.
We're taking this storm extremely serious. We want New Yorkers to be prepared, and we want New Yorkers to do the same.
The city's public schools closed and held classes remotely, but technical problems kept many parents and students from logging in. Officials in Pennsylvania reduced the speed limit on several highways and urged people to stay home if possible. The roads weren't the only challenge. FlightAware said there were more than 1,000 flight cancellations Tuesday morning, mostly in New York City and in Boston. By midday, about 27 million people were under a winter storm warning.
In addition to snow and wind, the storm does align with astronomical high tides, so there is also the potential for some coastal flooding as risk as well.
The highest snow totals were in New York City, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and southeastern Massachusetts. The storm's path shifted south, resulting in less snow than expected in some areas.